everyone. So in this video we need to solve this question. What do we have here? Under root of 2 and then inside this under root 4 and continue like this. So how can we solve this question? First of all, we can write it as under root 2 under root of under root 4 under root 8. Similarly 4 roots on 16 and up to so on. Okay, this implies we have 2 raised to power 1 by 2 into 4 raised to power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4, 8 raised to power 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 8, 16 raised to power 1 by 16 and up to so on. Okay, so this is 2 raised to power 1 by 2 into 4 is 2 square raised to power 4. 8 is 2 cube raised to power 1 by 8. 16 is 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 16 up to so on. So this is 2 raised to power 1 by 2 into 2 raised to power 2 into 1 2 by 4, 2 raised to power 3 by 8, 2 raised to power 4 by 16 up to so on. Now we can add the power when we have like this 2 raised to power this into this, so we can add the powers. So we have 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 8, 4 by 16 up to so on. Now basically we need to find this sum. So first of all we will find the sum and after that we will continue it. Okay, so first we find the sum. What sum we have? We have 1 by 2 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So it is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 4 by 16 up to so on. Now it is very simple to find this sum. How? See, we have 1 by 2 plus, what is 2 by 4? We can write it as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus, what is 3 by 8? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. What is 4 by 16? 1 by 16. Like this, we can continue like this. So, when we combine this, what we will get? We will get 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and up to so on we will take. So, first we will get this 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 up to so on. Now second sum starts. Second sum is 1 by 4 we have taken. Now only 1 by 4 is left. So 1 by 4. Now we will take 1 by 4, another 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Similarly 1 by 32 up to so on we can take plus. Now we here we started from 1 by 2. Here we started from 1 by 4 because we had only 2 1 by 4s. Now we have 3 1 by 8s. We have taken 1 by 8, 1 by 8 and now we will take another 1 by 8, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 up to so on. Plus now 1 by 8 is finished. So 1 by 16 up to so on. Like this we can divide this sum. Why did we divide? Because now what is this thing? This is a GP. What is a GP? GP is this. I can write it here. When we have a series like this, AAR, A plus AR square plus AR cube to so on, that means we have common ratio. AR upon A is R. AR square upon AR is R. So for a GP, if we have sum of infinite terms of a GP, the sum of infinite terms is A upon 1 minus R. So here we will apply the formula of sum. This is here a is equal to 1 by 2 in this, and common ratio is also 1 by 2. How do we find common ratio? Divide this term by this term, or this term by this term. A2 by A1, A3 by A2, A4 by A3. So here common ratio is 1 by 1 by 2. So what is the formula? What is the answer of this sum? This sum is 1 by 2 A upon 1 minus R, plus formula is this sum. First term is 1 by 4 A upon 1 minus R. What is R? R is 1 by 2 here as well. Why? 1 by 4 upon 1 by 1 by 8 upon 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 plus here 1 by 8 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 up to so on. So what do we get? We get 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 upon 1 by 2 up to so on. We get this thing. Okay. So now this sum is this. Okay. So what can we do here? If we take 1 upon 1 by 2 common, inside we get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to so on. This is again a GP. Can you find the sum? Yes. Here we can write this term as 2, and inside we have A upon 1 minus R. R is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Answer is 2. So here we have 2 raised to power 2, because this sum we calculated here, answer is 2. So this is 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. How did we calculate it? We just split these terms in form of different GPs. We have different GPs here. So we applied the formula of infinite sums of GP, and we got these things, and then we add these things by taking this common. By taking this denominator common, we took it common, and then inside we got a GP again, and then we applied the formula of infinite terms of sum of infinite terms of GP. A upon 1 minus R. R is 1 by 2. So you got answer 2. If you got 2 here, and so we got the answer of this sum, and this is 2. So 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So 4 is the answer of this question. Which question? This question. So it is very easy. If you do practice, you can just solve it in seconds. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.